Okay, today we're gonna take a look at a sports bottle. Now, this one I actually been using for quite a while. You guys notice a couple of scratches, a couple of things, but this is an awesome water bottle. I'm gonna let you know why. It retains its cold and it's hot when for a long time. I actually left the ice in the actual container. And the next day I came back and there was still ice in there. You know, it had melted just a little bit, but there was still ice in there. Now we're going to measure it to see the measurements so you guys can see how large it is from the lip to the actual bottom. It's about 10.5 inches. All right. Now, the best thing like about it, if you guys can see it, I actually lend this out to my kid because she plays soccer. So I've been loaning this to her. She's been taking it everywhere. Now, it has a little rubber end. It's a silicone end that it kind of holds, it retains the whole system itself, if you guys can notice. Now, to test, you have to twist it off to actually get the water out in container. The lip itself, it's a little large, so it could actually hold a lot of liquid, all right? Now, itself, when you're going to wash it, my recommendation is once in a while remove this and wash it separately. This is a silicone oval ring that kind of contains the whole water itself, but once in a while clean it out, remove it and wash it by itself or scrub it down. But you know, I would do it at least once a month, once every 2 weeks or so forth. All right, just to keep you aware. My recommendation is, you know, keep this. You could do a couple of things with it. A lot of people have been laser engraving their names and their logos and the actual containers. Now they do have multiple colors. This is a beautiful purple color. If you guys can see it, the whole structure itself. Look at this. You cannot lose anything. You know, everything's all included in here. So anytime you want, you know, take out the cap, twist it, and you're ready to go. It retains a lot of heat. Say you want to take some coffee for your night shift or early in the morning. Pretty good to retaining the heat and any kind of coldness too. So it has these indentations here. These are perfect. They grab onto the actual car. If you have a cup holder in your car, a larger one, it's gonna adapt pretty good and it grabs on really good, really easy. Of course, there's water in there. Nothing. It's sealed completely because of the twist. Instead of a cap open and close, it's a twist. It's perfect to retain a lot of heat, a lot of the coldness. Very simple, very strong and durable. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.